Can we fidget trade?
Of course. I love fidget trading. Okay, you can start.
Okay, I'm gonna add my axolotl.
Ooh, okay. I'll trade you for the Nido cube with toothpaste.
Accept. Yay.
All right, so I've got a cute little Tabba squishy.
I'll trade my butter squishy and my slime.
Both? Except.
Yay!
Okay.
I'm going to trade my Nido and my dumpling.
Both? Ooh, let's see. Ooh, I've got the gummy bear. And let's see. This cute little fuzzy ball. Add. Here we go. This little cute dude. So what do you think?
Decline.
Decline. Fine. So I'm going to try this dude again. Super squishy.
Well, I'll do mine then.
I do like that color, but I'm going to need you to add. Except. Cool little dude. All right.
I'm gonna do my Nido.
Splat. I like that little dude. It comes with the hair on it. Yes. All right. I'm going to trade this super cool stretch ball, and it's homemade. And it comes with the hair. Add. Okay. I'm going to add this super clean squishy ball. Decline. Accept. Okay, what if I add something? You know what? Never mind. Because I have my own splat.
Well, I have a dumpling.
And I will trade this little cute little poppet. Except.
Yes.
Oh, I want to hear it. Hold on. Oh, this isn't the one that makes a noise like the other one. Or is it? I don't know. Okay. Who started last time?
Me. I started with the...
Or did I do splat? All right.
I'll do this little cute piggy.
Okay, a little sticky. I will trade this super cool little fuzzy ball with the tag still on it.
I feel that's unfair. So this, and I'll accept.
Add.
What? I literally just added. Here, this ring, and it lights up somehow.
Does it work?
I think it does. You just gotta get it to work.
Okay. I'll accept. All right, so I'm going to start with this super cool homemade little fluff ball.
Decline.
Decline.
I don't want.
So I'll start out with this super cute little axolotl. Doop.
Okay, I'll do this squishy, and whenever you squish it, it has glitter.
Oh. Super sticky.
I like it that way.
Decline.
This is not even worth it anyways. Thank you. Okay, I'll start with this super cute homemade bracelet spinner. Ooh.
Oh. I'll trade you this cute little pencil topper squishy. Add, okay. This super dirty squishy.
I can always clean it.
Except. I'll trade you this brand new dumpling.
I'll trade you this a little old with toothpaste. That's also kind of dirty, but you could always wash it.
Okay.
And it totally doesn't have holes on the bottom.
Doesn't have holes?
It doesn't.
Should I look or no?
No.
Okay.
It's not worth it.
Accept. Yum.
Okay, I'll start with this super cute limited edition Squishmallow from McDonald's.
Okay. And I'll trade you this little dude. Don't even know what it is. And add, this cute little axolotl. Accept. Limited edition. All right, so I'll trade, this dumpling.
I'll trade this bunny that can always be cleaned.
Always be clean. I'm gonna need you to add.
I only have one thing left.
Accept.
Add.
Okay, I have this ball. Feels like a Neato. Don't know if it is. Add. Okay, I'll trade you this little stress ball smiley face dude. Accept. All right, so this is everything I got, and that's everything she got. Thanks for fidget trading.